Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my new hair color. This is it. If you are interested in seeing how I got this color, please stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so it's been about 7 weeks since I did the big chop and I just wanted some color, so I bleached my hair with baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, shampoo, and a conditioner. I believe any shampoo or conditioner will work, but I recommend you use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner because the baking soda can be drying. I mixed everything together and applied it to my hair. I covered it for 3 hours and washed it out. I did this twice, not on the same day though. The first time I did it, I didn't get enough color, so I did it again 5 days after that, and this is what I got. 3 hours is enough for me. If you can let it sit longer than that on your head, you can go ahead. I haven't done it longer than that, so I can't really comment on that. I washed it out with a conditioner. It's important to do deep conditioning after this to bring moisture back to the hair. That's what I did. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on with my hair. Alright, so if you guys are interested, please stay tuned and watch the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me any questions you may have down below and I'll get back to you. Until next time, bye.
Oh baby girl, you know I like when you whine on me. Cause the way you are going, pretty girl, you drive me crazy. But if you give me one chance, girl, I swear you be coming back for more. Oh girl, I really don't mind. You could jump and hop on my ding dong. Oh baby, don't you know? If your love go kill me, yo. So baby, take it slow. Cause it's you I wanna hold. I want you physically, treat you like a doctor medically. Yeah, you ready for me? Cause tonight is the night I'ma rock your body. Shorty, she be too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty know you're too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty know you're too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty know you're too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Me and you I go blink, girl. Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Yeah. Me and you I go blink. Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Yeah. Me and you I go blink, girl. Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Yeah. Me and you I go blink.
Me know you like when me whine, I put it down on you. That little feel where you get, have you wanting more? Falling in love with me is easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you wanna be mine, come and lock my door. You say me too bad, but me better than that. When me rock on, come in, see me make your ass stop. But you know say if you're ready for give me everything, put me right on top. But I'ma slow it down for you.
Give me that feeling.
Gonna take my time if you want me to. Yeah.
Shorty, she be too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty know you're too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty know you're too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty know you're too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Me and you I go blink, girl. Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Yeah. Me and you I go blink. Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Yeah. Me and you I go blink, girl. Give me that thing, I go give you that ring. Yeah. Me and you I go blink. Shorty, she be too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty know you're too bad.
Oh gaga, shorty give me that feeling.
Shorty